I'm S. Ravikumar, Research Scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekharaya Garu, JNTH, Hyderabad. Literature Survey Research Group publications related to the cybercrime case study. And today's topic is Reverse Engineering National Cognition Impairment, a PGF mediator approach. Object of this paper is Web intelligence is defined as the application of AI on web. It is defined with particularly important terms such as web, information technology, and artificial intelligence. Searching for wisdom web through the evaluation of information from data. Knowledge from information and wisdom from knowledge is nothing but web intelligence. Innovative AI and advanced IT applied on the platform of web leads to intelligent web. The things that individually can do with their minds, such as thinking, problem solving, etc., is called the cognition in informatics. And CI also investigates their engineering applications in computing. Thus, here we discussed about this particular reverse engineering the national cognitive impairment through guidance and counseling made by the PGF members on Remedial Forum PGF. An introduction of this paper is this cognition is an important feature of human consciousness. It is the process of pursuing knowledge and understanding by thinking and through experience. Cognitive processes use existing knowledge and generate new knowledge. National intelligence or human intelligence is the potential to grasp from experience, understand, and use the knowledge, adapt to new situations. Human cognition means the faculty of knowing. Cognitive science is the study mind and intelligence under multiple disciplines like psychology, artificial intelligence, neuroscience, and linguistics, etc. Mission intelligence or artificial intelligence enables a mission to interact with an environment in an intelligent way, making a brilliant computer system to solve complex problems just like humans do, and enabling them to replicate the behavior of humans is possible only through artificial intelligence. Mission cognition gives a mission the same cognitive abilities that humans have. And web intelligence. Two features of web, the size and complexity make the WI useful and necessary. This applies amount of mutually joined web documents or web pages in dumped into the web. Due to this, the challenges that pose are the problem in the storage, management, and efficient and effective retrieval of information. Varied collection of web documents like structured, unstructured, semi-structured, and interrelated and distributed. Web 2.0 is the www that highlight user-generated content, social networking sites, video and image sharing sites, wikis, web applications, blogs are some of the examples of Web 2.0. Webpack mission can be used to understand clear distinction between the Web 2.0 and Web 1.0. And here is a perform online behavioral analysis WI equals to AI plus IT. And social web have become a crucial and necessary part of Web 2.0. It is a platform for sharing and experiences, emotions, opinions, feelings, and sentiments. The applications have very interactive. And the social intelligence is a fusion of human and machine intelligence for building social networks containing the different communities of people, organizations, and other social entities. SI equals to MI plus HI. And cognitive informatics in order to investigate the human information processing mechanism encompasses the study of information sciences, cognition, and application of IT. It is also study of internal information processing mechanism of the natural intelligence or human intelligence and its applications, is computing and ICT using advanced information technologies. Cognitive informatics accommodates the important forms of human and natural intelligence or the classes of cognitive information as a skill, knowledge, experience, and wisdom. Applying proper perception and reasoning, the instruction they transformed into an action or behavior by wisdom. Another session is Web Intelligence Light on Cognitive Informatics. Cognitive informatics is the inquiry of internal informatics processing mechanisms of natural human intelligence and its applications in computing and ICT using advanced information technologies. And here the CI equals to HI plus IT and BI equals to WI centric IT plus cognitive science, and WI equals to AI plus HI plus SI plus IT. And reverse engineering national cognitive impairment in students of J&H. National cognition means awareness, enlightenment on their duty towards their nation and perceiving national consciousness and integrity. National cognition in students has been misdirected in the academic premises of J&H. As of our research methodology, we have considered the student community of Google Plus accounts and that belongs to the PGF founder, Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya, sites.google.com/site/Sekharaya/a people governance forum webpage. The students who have passed out in a cyber criminal environment have become knowingly or unknowingly the victims by such cyber criminal organizations and have national cognitive impairment. Guidance and counseling to the students of J&H through various social media and PGF is taken up by the PGF members to reverse engineer the national cognitive impairment that appeared in them directly or indirectly. Here in figure 1, a snapshot of the post made by a student Vijay Reddy. What are the 3 crimes involved in the J&H JOG? And in figure 2, a snapshot of the post made by the student Raghu Kumar with which incidents that the mid-1 exam conducted to them on the awareness of TBDC was interesting and helpful. On figure 3, a snapshot of the post made by the student Kamal Reddy on the remedial forum PGF to let know the other students of the community regarding it. On figure 4, a snapshot of the post made by a student Anupama Kondam regarding SV's call to the nation. And table 1, some of the similar posts made by other students of the community. Here we can see the posts that can be interacted in a different communities. And finally, conclusion of this paper is the perspective of the human cognition and machine cognition with the application of the natural intelligence and artificial intelligence respectively is presented in this paper. The exploration of the advanced information technologies is especially important in the field of web intelligence and cognitive informatics, along with the utilization of the machine intelligence and human intelligence. The concept of the national cognition to be introduced into the students for a progressive of society, and if national cognition impairment is caused in them due to any circumstances, proper guidance and counseling is to be provided, reverse engineering the cognition impairment. In a aforementioned mentioned case study, the PGF founder plays a major role in introducing MIC, Mother India Consciousness, as the national cognition has been impaired in the students in the academic environment of J&H. The samples of Google Plus data after analysis indicate the same. Thus, our research work focuses on transforming a regressive society to a progressive society by establishing national consciousness among the student community. Thank you.